Hello guys, today I am solving a LeetCode question. The question number is 3899 and the question name is angles of a triangle. Okay, so you are given a positive integer array of sides of length 3, diameter if there exists a triangle. Determine if there exists a triangle with positive areas whose three sides lengths are given by the element of a positive whose three side lengths are given by the elements of sides. Okay, if such a triangle exists, return the array of three floating point numbers representing its internal angles in degree, stored in non-decreasing order. Otherwise, return an empty array. Okay. Answer within an actual answer will be okay. Input size 3, 4, 5. So if we take 3, 4, 5, you can see this is a right angle triangle because 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So suppose I am taking a triangle that is 3, 4, 5. This is 3, this is 4, then this is 5. A, B, C. Okay. And you have to tell the angles of the triangle. Here you can see that 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square, but this is not the this is not in the case of all triangles. You can get also 2, 4, 2. This is not a triangle. I have to apply here the cosine rule, and that is, suppose this is a general triangle. This is not a right angle triangle or anything. This is a general triangle ABC, and this is A, this is B, and this is C. This is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. So how to get the angle A and angle B and angle C? This is like cos A, cosine of A is equal to cosine of A. I am finding this angle is equal to B square plus this and this plus and subtract from this. Okay, B square plus C square minus A square by 2 into this into this. Okay, 2 into B into C. Sorry, this is these are not the angles, these are the sides. This is B square plus C square minus A square by 2 into BC. This is the formula for cos A. So how can I get A? A is equal to cos inverse B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. This is the formula for angle A. Similarly, we can get the formula for angle B and angle C. No, formula for angle B will be cos inverse A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC, and formula for angle C is cos inverse A and B will be in the first, A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Sorry. So I have to apply these three formulas and the answer is done. So at first, how can I do this? How can I get this cos inverse? Like A, B and C, this thing I can calculate, and also I have to give the answer in degree. I have to answer in degree. These are the degrees. Okay, so I have to apply math.degree function, and also for the cos inverse there is another function math.acos. Okay, so what can I do? What can we do? Like angle A, that is A is equal to math.degree math.acos A into A, sorry, not A into A, B and C. Okay, B into B plus C into C minus A into A into 2BC. Okay, this is the angle A, and in the similar way you can find B and C. And after that, at last, what I have to do to store these angles in a list, store these angles, just take a simple list, answer equal to this, and append these A, B and C. Okay, so let's try the question. The sides are given. Sides means array of 3 integers, 3 sides. Okay, so at first just extract the A, B and C from the sides. Okay, just check one time, print A comma B comma C, just check. This will print the sides, obviously. Yes, this is printing the sides 3, 4, 5. Yesterday out. Okay, so A is equal to, suppose A and B and C, the C are the angles A, B and C. A is equal to math.degree math.acos. Okay, means cos inverse. And what I have to find for A, that is b square into c square, b square plus c square minus a square by 2 into b into c, and a into b into c, 2 into b into c. For b, math dot degree a cos. For b, that is a into c, a into a plus c into c minus b into b, 2 into a into c. Math dot degree math dot a cos. For c, a into a and b, a plus into b minus c into c, 2 into a into b. Okay, now not print. Okay, first time print. First print a comma b comma c, just for testing. math has no attribute degree. Okay, I think this will be degrees. math.acos expected number in the range from okay okay, I think this is happening because I have forgotten to give the bracket here. Yes, the answer is coming. Okay, the answer is coming. So instead of print, what I can do, answer equal to a comma b comma c. This is the answer, and return answer. List of float. I have to print. I have to return list of float. Wrong answer. Okay. 180 output. Okay. This is the edge case I have not handled. 2 4 2. This is not a triangle because 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 4 equal to 4. This should be greater than equal to 4. So what can I say? Like here, if a into a, suppose a into a plus b into b less than equal to c into c, or a b c b into b plus c into c less than equal to a into a, or c into c plus a into a less than equal to b into b. Any of the condition can occur, then we can tell that this is not a triangle. So return only empty array. Three, 4, 5 expected I'm really sorry, the condition will be not a into a. This is a plus b less than equal to c. Sorry, b plus c less than equal to a, or c plus a less than equal to b. Yes, this is accepted, but okay, we can submit this. Wrong answer because output. Okay, I have to sort the array. Answer dot sort, and now I can now I can submit. This is correct. Okay, so goodbye.